Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Racer R-Safe Full Gauntlet Kangaroo Palm Race Glove. Okay, the R-Safe is a glove that was in the Racer catalog previously that was dropped here in the US, and then Max Van decided to bring them back for the 2025 season. There's not a ton of inventory left. I think we've got somewhere around 100 pairs, so he was able to secure them at a good price. We're going to pass that along to you. The retail on the glove, as of the time we're shooting this video, is $189.99. When you compare this glove to other gloves on the market, it has all the features, benefits, and protection that you're going to find in gloves that sell for $300 or over in the full race category, making this an excellent value. Let's start off with sizing and fit. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have a 2X on right now in the R-Safe, and the fit and feel is exactly what I would expect. This glove is going to require just a little bit of break-in before it's right where I want it to be, but I think that's going to happen in just a couple of rides. One fitment note with this glove is the on and off, and it's kind of a positive and a negative all at the same time. The holes, it's a little tight, right? So getting your hand through it, maybe when they're brand new and they're not broken in, like you kind of feel a little bit, but once you get it in, you get this good secure sensation too, where the glove really stays in place. That works in conjunction, of course, with a safety strap there to keep the glove on in the event of a fall. You've got your adjuster up here in the gauntlet of the glove. A lot of dexterity at the wrist, which is something I really like. It feels real light in that area. There's zero restriction. We've got a cowhide chassis with a kangaroo palm, super fabric, and the three-piece Knox scaphoid protectors, the palm sliders. That super fabric too is really abrasion resistant stuff, so in that crucial impact zone right here, this glove has tremendous class leading protection, no doubt. It's got an overlay here that's silicone injected to help keep the service life of the gloves high. These should last quite a while with that entire overlay there. Tunnel system here at the knuckle, so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of pulling on the whole glove, it just kind of opens up a little bit. You've got your knuckle protector, individual knuckle protectors for all the knuckles. We've got a pinky bridge, motion panels in all of the fingers as well as the thumb, a little protector there. There is a protector for the end of the ulna that's also padded behind there. Motion panel right here at the wrist. A little foam to manage impact on the back side of the hand. Give you another look at that palm. It's also important to note this glove has a Kevlar lining inside. Let's see if we can open this other one up here. Give you, I don't know if you can get in there and see the yellow fabric or not, but this one is also Kevlar reinforced. If you're looking for a protective glove, a full gauntlet race glove, you want to save a few bucks but still get that $300-ish experience, while inventory lasts, the Racer R-Safe is going to be a great opportunity to get that done. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. And I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride. All right, you can fuck around with that. I got to look at this.